Hi there. So we're going to start with question number one, where essentially we want to calculate how many cakes we're going to do in the day. Are we going to do n equals 3 cakes or n equals 4 cakes? And we have a random daily demand D, which is Poisson distributed with a mean equal to 2.8. This is sometimes how it's wrote. And this is the random daily demand. So do we do this many cakes or that many cakes? And essentially, let yn be the net profit per day. So net profit per day, let that equal to yn, and that's going to be equal to the minimum of d and